Right, Megan, so a couple of finger picking patterns there we did. So what we'll go, I'll just go through them all. We did 3 of them, I think. So the first one was nice and simple. So for these I'll just use A minor and G. So we've got A minor, G. Okay, so the first one was bass, then 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, okay? So that's, and in this case, just remember where the bass note is, okay? So whatever chord you're on, you want the lowest note or the bass note to have the same name as the chord. So in this case, A minor, and we've got the open A string there. And then for G, you've got 3rd fret on the E string, which is E, no E sharp, so F, F sharp, G. So you're going to be starting there and there. All right, so bass and 3rd, 2nd, 1st string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the first one. Then next one we did was kind of alternating. So we had the initial bass note and then an alternative one. Is that peak in there? No. So then we had the initial bass note and then the alternative one, which is just either next to it, or you can just as easily go to the one just above it as well. But for this one, we'll go first one and then the next one down from it, okay? So we had then the 2nd string, alternate bass, then the 1st string, okay? Now, you could just as easily go 3rd string, bass, 3rd string, 2nd bass note, 1st string, or bass note, 3rd string, 2nd bass note, 2nd string. You know, because you're holding the chord, so any notes you throw out from it are going to work, you know, so which ones you want, it's just a matter of taste. So, but for now, I'll go bass, 2nd, alternate bass, 1st, okay? Like we wrote in the notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's try that again. So. Okay, so as I said, any notes, you know, that come from the chord will work, so it's up to you which ones you use. So then the 3rd and last one we did was a sort of a pinch between the bass note and the 1st string, then 2nd, 3rd, back to 2nd again. Okay, so that's pinch, 2nd string, 3rd string, back to the 2nd. So we could go. Now ideally you want to use a finger for each string, okay, so that should be, again, you know, you don't have to be overly pedantic about it, but just to kind of get into the best habits you can from the get-go is always a good idea. So 3rd string for the 3rd finger for the pinch, 2nd finger, 1st finger. See that? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's okay, and you can use them with any chords, and as well change them up as you like. You know, use different strings, and you know. You can kind of imagine as well how you can make other patterns as well. So those are just 3 sort of basic ones. But any pattern at all, because as I said, all the notes if you're holding the chord right, all the notes will work. So any arrangement of them is going to work as well. So those are just 3 to get you started. All right, talk to you next time.